But the fungus soon feels cramped in this small cavity and bursts out through the insect's forehead into the open air. The Yarsa Kumbu is born. Even after all these years, Dhanchandra is still fascinated by the winter worm Yasa and the summer herb Kumbu. It's one of nature's mysteries, a caterpillar that becomes a herb with the coming of summer. Legend has it that it all began when the owner of a yak caravan, returning home from an exhausting journey, noticed that the animals who fed on this strange herb recovered better